Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. I'll walk you through two methods that may help you restore your channel. Let's get started. Method 1. Contact YouTube support. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube Help Center. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Submit Feedback. Choose General Help Center Experience, then tap Next. Select something else. Now explain why you want to recover your deleted YouTube channel. Be sure to include the Google account email linked to the deleted channel. If possible, attach a screenshot showing the message that your YouTube channel has been deleted. Enable the option that allows YouTube to contact you by email, then tap Send. After reviewing your request, YouTube support may contact you and help restore your channel if it's eligible. Method 2. Restore a deleted brand account. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/brandaccounts. Sign in with the same Google account that was linked to your YouTube channel. If your deleted channel was a brand account, you'll see a deleted account section. Open it, select your deleted brand account, then tap Restore. If the account is still recoverable, your YouTube channel will be restored automatically. And that's it. Those are the two best ways to recover a deleted YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.